Hey, this is Brad. I know if you've been to our site, you've seen some of the things that we sell. One of the things that we sell is actually a really cool deal, and it's kind of a folding, credit card knife. It's a wallet knife, some people call it. And, it's a really cool actual knife. Letters, boxes, papers, string, tape, things like that you can open, boxes you can cut. And so anyway, I'm going to show you, first of all, we put my thumb on this, I call it knurled. It's kind of a ridge right there. It overlaps the metal. That's actually a lock. I put my finger on the back. It has the same ridges on it. So my finger and my thumb, you kind of gently squeeze it. You turn it like this, and you can see now there's just a tiny bit of plastic over the blade. You turn it just a little bit more. Now you see that there's no plastic over the blade. You come back here like this. When they're brand new, they're actually kind of rigid, and you're going to want to do this to it just a little bit, for a while. You do this like that, so you get the plastic kind of wore in. So you put the little one down, put your finger up here, take the big one, fold it over, snap it in. You actually have a stainless steel overlay over the plastic. You have a good blade, it's stainless, so let's go this side. That's your plastic, that's where it folded away from. This side you have the two different sides that I folded, the little one, the big one over the top of it, and you have these screws, possibly rivets. I don't know why. I don't think they're screws. I don't know. We'd have to look into that. So you do have a little bit of a rough thumb grip up here. Like I say, I don't know, maybe people do that. I just never in my life have I put my thumb on the back of a knife, and did that. All right, so let's pop it back down, fold it over like this, put my finger on the back. Okay, that little bar goes all the way through. Put my finger on the back, put my thumb here, and I'm going to get out of the way so you can actually see it in the process of locking. Just like that, and then you just put it back in your wallet, put it in a shirt pocket, put it in your back pocket. It's a little bit flexible still, so that it actually would take, the contour of the wallet, contour of your butt, maybe in your shirt pocket, and it's not rigid so that it would actually bother you. Go online, sharpensbest.com, take a look, and look at the price, and maybe you get a freebie of this. Let's say they're 10 bucks, and you buy Sharpen Spark Mini, things like that. You're going to get one of these free. The more you spend on the site, the more you get free. The bigger the discount, the better it gets. Okay, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. Go to the website, check out the credit card knife.